Oh, ho, 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 ho. Okay. Oh, hello. I'm Toshi. Oh, today. Also, wait. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I was watching the Fortnite YouTube. It's my work every day. Yes. Okay, today I got a new idea. Some people wrote you should start blogger, like video blogger. But I have no idea what I should do. So I will start radio. You can ask me anything you want about Pitacoin, Bitcoin, my company, about Japan, about a girl, about me, about anything you want. You can put your comment on this YouTube, and if I choose your comment, your question, I will give you 1,000 Satoshi. 0001, 1,000 Satoshi. Maybe one video, maybe 10 questions or something like that. If you ask me anything, okay, I will answer. Like, ask me anything you want. Yeah, give me any ideas. If you ask me about Pitacoin or Bitcoin, of course, maybe I will choose one, definitely. But only one rule. If you have the same question, okay, do you have a girlfriend? At the time, I will choose the first one. So you should put the comment as soon as possible, or see the comment and change the topic. If you have the same question, but I will choose only one and the first person. And also, don't ask me that question. Are you a Satoshi? No, I'm Toshi. Many people think I'm Satoshi because I send a lot of Bitcoins to many people. But I'm not Satoshi. I'm Toshi. Okay. So please subscribe and turn on the notification to notice that I uploaded the video as soon as possible. If you're gonna be the first one, I will choose first one. Okay? And also think about the good questions. Thank you.